Saying,
She's not too pleased with the set.
you win for my one show, for my one channel. That not gonna work. Think I come set no trend for no other people come match me up on my show. No.
That's like a reach now, you know.
Let me see.
Everybody will come with their own question fair and
I got questions for you.
Let me see. It fits good.
Yeah, it fits good.
Alright, then you ready?
You ready?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have a special guest. I don't think him special anymore.
Creamy crackers.
If you don't watch the last video or don't know why I say so, you understand me?
Yes.
And if you don't watch it yet, go ahead and watch the Never Have I Ever with SHOTTYshane. So we have him back for another video, guys, and today we're gonna be doing truth or drink.
Truth or drunk?
Why? Because him set me up, people. Him set me up, you understand me? And I never really like that, you understand? So you know, say I decide say we're gonna have a rematch, you understand? So we're gonna see who win the truth or drink challenge here, you understand?
We have to smear now.
Alright guys, so let us get into the video. So today we're gonna be doing truth or drink.
Truth or drunk?
And the rules of the game is, if you do not want to answer the question truthfully, you should take a shot. Understand me? Yes, so you answer the question or you take a shot. If you don't want to answer the question, you take a shot. If you feel like you're going to tell a lie, you take a shot.
Right.
Yes, speak.
You just have to tell the truth.
Yes,
Basically.
speak the truth. Yes.
Or forever hold your peace.
Exactly.
And get drunk.
Exactly. Right? Alright people, so let us get right into the video. So the first question that I have is, what's your most shallow reason for not going on a second date?
Body odor. Yeah, she never smelled right.
But that's shallow? That is shallow.
Yeah, it's shallow to me.
I don't think that's shallow. Like I just
Yeah.
poor IG, but I don't think that's shallow though.
Also, well, you know, some persons, they will actually be straightforward with the person and say, you know, so this was the reason, but, you know, that's not me. And also, I ghost somebody back in the past when they had, I think what was, digi chat or something like that. I told the person I was going to the mall.
Remember say this up on YouTube,
Yeah.
and the person
Yeah.
watch it. Okay.
Yeah, told the person, well, I love people meet actually, but I told the person I was going to the mall and told them what I was wearing, but I wasn't wearing what I was wearing, if you understand what I'm saying. Yeah. So
but why you ghost them though?
me, do you want to see them first?
So when you see them, you never really
I just
like
cut.
them, you just cut.
I just cut.
Alright, no, that is shallow. That is shallow. So remember, look, oh, you didn't think them all look, and you just
No.
ghost them.
Yeah, cut.
Oh, so when you hear that, ladies? Yeah, when you hear. Well, for me, my most shallow reason was the guy did just too short.
He was too short? As in, he was shorter than you?
Yes.
Him short then, man. Shopping at the kids department.
Yes, so that was my reason why I never go on a second date.
Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad. Yeah.
It was just,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah. I'm a shallow there still. That's like every girl though. Every girl know when I shot shorter than them.
It is shallow because I never really tell them the reason. We just never
Yes.
answer.
Oh, you just stop answer the call them. Oh, it's ghost them. See, we have something in common.
Me and you is not the same thing. Alright, next question. Have you ever cheated or helped someone to cheat?
Helped, yes. I helped. You know, a friend in need is a friend indeed.
Yeah.
Big up friends, yeah.
You help somebody to cheat, so you never cheat.
If I have cheated, yes I have.
So you skip out the part there?
Huh?
So you skip out the part there because you help them like
Because
you
I
never
told-
cheated, skip it out.
I
Yes,
told
have you
question.
ever cheated or helped somebody to cheat? Why you skip out the first part and you take the second part?
I think I two different questions.
No, I want question. Yes, me cheat and yes, me help somebody. So you do two of them.
Yeah, I did.
No, I never help nobody for cheat.
But you cheat.
But yeah.
Okay.
Next question, people.
Woohoo!
Next question is, have you ever had a secret relationship?
Secret or private?
Secret.
Secret? Yes, I have.
So you have secret relationship?
I've had. The question was had.
You had a secret relationship.
Yes, in the
And
past.
you've also had a private relationship.
Yes.
Private
Yes,
relationship.
'cause no relationship. Yeah,
So one private relationship and one secret relationship.
yeah, so we're years apart. It's not like same time. And you?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
Next,
I mean, so this not a movie tonight, then, man.
would you ever hook up with someone else's partner?
Define. Like if I know them?
Define somebody else's partner?
Yeah, like I'm a friend partner, somebody who I know. I don't know.
Are you for tell me which one did I hook up with?
No, I just want to get the question correct. Because if I don't know you, then.
Any way you want to put the question, just answer.
But everybody has somebody else's partner.
Everybody has someone else's partner?
Yeah, apparently.
Explain that.
Meaning that if the person hasn't never been in a relationship, they must have been with somebody before.
No, I don't mean like that. I mean like the person in a relationship, no, and you're there with them, no. So basically, the question is asking you, would you be a side man?
I have been a side man. I turned into a main man. That was in the past.
Okay, next question.
Why?
I guess
And you've been a side girl?
I think everybody has been a side girl.
I don't think so.
You don't think
Every
everybody
girl
has
I
been a
no,
side
I
girl?
don't think so.
You don't think so?
Some to the ladies that meet the man of them dreams and marry the man of them dreams and married and have 11 children.
And the man of them dreams turn them in a side woman.
No, not necessarily. So you don't think that there are no good relationships out there? That nobody not cheat?
No.
No?
No.
Wow, you're all cheaters.
Next question. Next question, people. Have you ever told someone you wouldn't be home just so they wouldn't come over to yours?
Yes, I have.
I said it, you know?
Yeah, but a long time that though. That was years ago. That's a lot of years
Years,
ago.
you know, so since no.
I haven't done it recently, so no.
Oh, you
No.
you baby yourself.
I am behaving myself right now.
Oh, so like how long now you baby yourself?
A good while.
Wake up, good while. Like a year? Hmm?
Maybe 3.
Oh, that's a good while.
Yeah, maybe 2.
But yeah, I do that.
Just tell them say, yo, I'm in them, yeah.
Yeah, but I think, well, I'm not talking about this, I'm talking to myself. Yes, I've done that. Alright, next question. Have you ever bought something to wear to an event and then returned it to the store when the event was over?
No, son, I can't do that. As in, wear it and then carry it back?
You know, if people do that in Jamaica, but I know overseas, them do that.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do. No, but I've never done that before.
No, I never do that either. But that's a go. But independently, I was spending my clothes and my thing and wear it.
No, I prefer repeat my clothes more than do that. I'm
Right,
sorry.
right.
Yes.
Yes. Next question. Did you ever break up with someone just before a public holiday so that you didn't have to buy them a gift?
No, I think that's really petty. No.
You
No.
think that's petty?
Yeah, I think it's petty.
So you're calling me petty?
Yeah. So you never have to buy nothing? Me I did it months before.
That
Not
you
day
know,
before.
but no. No, you're not gonna do it the day before, but you do it leading up like near close
Like
to
a
the
week or
time.
2 weeks.
Yeah. Some of the year people do that in terms of like Valentine's.
Valentine's.
It's not a holiday, but people do that.
Christmas time too,
Yeah,
people
on a
do.
break up with another partner.
And then come back
And-
February 15th.
yeah,
come back.
exactly. So there's something
Ha!
to do.
I don't do it, but I heard of it.
Oh, okay. Yes, I do it, but not gonna lie. Of course, I do it. Not necessarily because I never really. Alright, the reason why I did it was because we were actually, like, what do you call it? Separated or whatever. Or, separated, they call it. Like, when you're the person that's on a good term, but not plan to
take a break.
the relationship or whatever.
Yeah.
I mean, I say, I don't really want to spend a bag of money for buying a gift for somebody where me and them not even, they
They're
on
on good
good
terms.
terms and whatever. So I just say, breathe them a little bit, and then after the birthday,
You just never want to buy
the
it.
holiday or whatever it is, fix back things and good to go again. Yeah. Alright. Next question is, what is your favorite feature on yourself?
Yeah.
So you have to look on yourself and know what your favorite
No, I'm
feature?
just tell you. Yeah.
Oh, that's your favorite feature?
Yeah. I love it.
Oh, but you have to tell
Yeah.
them. You have to tell the
It's
people.
my member. Yeah. It's my favorite feature.
Oh, you have to tell the people.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's most prized.
Oh, okay. Well, that's not my favorite. My favorite is actually my eyes.
Yeah, you do have nice eyes.
Yeah.
Lovely
Oh,
eyes.
oh, thank you. But yeah, my eyes.
What?
People, I know we're not pulling the car, you know.
Because there are two bad people in here.
I know we're not pulling now. And this is the first truth and drink me ever do. And look at no whole people, nobody not take no
I
shot.
should have me ask question.
But I said I got easy on him, you know, people. Me I got easy on him, you know. Because him beg me, you know, and say, yo, you know what? Go easy with me. You understand me? So make sure come with some little easy question. You understand? Just to get to know him a little bit. But, you know, not really show too much of that side. You understand me? Alright. So why you pull it now? You want to take a shot? You want to take a shot for people?
Yeah, me take a one shot for them. Yes. I don't know that. Should ask me some harder questions.
I'm not asking a hard question. But the people that listen to you on the radio, you know,
Yes.
you're going to talk your business and then you stop listening.
I shall not be that.
Exactly.
Big up to Smirnoff.
Alright, so I have two more questions. As I said, no, not hard, very easy question. Cheesy. Alright, so what I want to know is, who is your celebrity crush?
Locally or internationally?
Anyone, if you want to give me both of them, you can give me both of them.
Locally, Chinsia, big up yourself.
Oh, I think
Miss
you.
Lee.
I think you'd better say you.
Miss Lee, big up yourself. You've been a friend of mine for years. Yes, that's
Yeah,
Chinsia.
crush my Shensia.
Yeah, Shen, I'm a little.
You want to call her if you?
No, I'm a little
Mama
friend.
set-
No, I can't call
I'm
her.
going to set the link.
No, I can't set it, but I know Ramesh. No, Ramesh broke up my foot, and I'm friend too. Ramesh, I'm a friend too. Yeah, friend.
Alright, so who international?
Internationally, strangely, I really like Rihanna.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it in the Caribbean. Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Well, me I take a shot. I don't really want. I don't like talk about.
You don't want to talk about your crush?
No.
Oh, something like going down this one?
My relationships are private, so I take a shot.
Your relation board.
Yes.
Kind of ship now going.
Because it's more than a crush. So
It's more than a crush. You want iron?
I'll take a shot.
I can't scare the iron board there and the iron there because the crush I can't iron out.
I'll take a shot for that one.
Yeah? So you can't tell me how like how you take the shot now. Oi! Alright. Big up Smirnoff, they hit a spot. Yeah. It's nice though. It's nice no?
How long time are you drinking?
It's nice man.
No, sir.
So you not tell me how you
No.
crush?
Next question.
I think I two more did this.
What conditions are necessary for hooking up on a first date?
Elaborate. What conditions? Me not understand.
What conditions are necessary for hooking up on a first date? So you go up on a first date, what would a after the food for hook up?
In order for us to be together
No.
or to go on the date?
No, you're on the date already. What would a cause enough for do the things then?
I think somebody that can blend with, you know, what really excites me is intelligence, not only physical aspect of somebody. So if I'm there on the date and somebody stimulate my mind, then that's gonna work for me. If somebody sense of humor nice and we can laugh and we can reason about anything and the conversation sweet, then
Or you just go get them it after the date then?
what? To stimulate my mind, I can stimulate my body. Straight.
And we can agree to that still.
Yeah. And if liquor involved, yeah, it helps.
No, but I the liquor would have cause all of that.
Help to stimulate.
Yeah, say help and I help. The liquor would have just...
No, it helps to stimulate because we don't need liquor in order for us to do anything. Because if your mind don't stimulate it already and you drink and you have some fun, then it's gonna be easier.
Okay, so if you go on a date and you just tell the people and say don't bring no liquor.
You don't have to.
Okay.
But what kind of date would it be without even a glass of wine?
A normal date.
Yeah, a normal date.
Normal people go on normal dates.
It depends on the occasion. Because if you go to dinner, you just have to drink juice.
Yes. When they're going on dates with you, yes.
Well, if you're going to like, I would say, if you're going to the movies, then obviously no liquor will be there.
So them for just carry go to the movies when they do dating for just carry go to the movies.
So you can't go to the movies?
Me?
So you want me carry go to the movies?
No. Me have TV on my head.
So what would excite you on a date? What kind of date would you
Sir,
consider?
I one question. That question anybody on this?
No, but I'm just saying.
No.
Give them a bonus.
No.
Yeah.
No, you have to stay tuned to the next video for ask me that question there. You know easy. Easy. Alright people. So the answer for me is similar to what he's saying. Because I'm actually a sapiosexual. So basically that's really what stimulates me as well.
You need to explain to people what that is.
Make them Google it. Or YouTube it what it means.
Sapisexual?
A sapiosexual.
Sapiosexual?
Sir, you have spelled the word sapiosexual.
I did say sapio, that's what I said. You want me to twang it and say sapio?
Put on a radio voice.
No. Radio voice, I have to read it, it's a TV.
Yes, people. So it's the same for me, right? And I actually was saying that like the vibes, once the vibe right, you know, as he was saying, you can converse and fun and all laugh and all of those things, then yeah man, then can get it. Yeah, but and everybody can really do that.
Right. You see, when it's basically if you can talk about anything with somebody and them can talk to you on that intellectual level, then it's good.
Yes.
Whether the foolishness you talk about or something important, that is good.
As long as them can stimulate your mind. It's not always about the physical appearance, and especially for me it's never physical. Like it's not about like how the person look or anything like that. It's really about the mind, how best them can stimulate it.
Right.
And yes. Alright people, so that's the end of our truth and drink, and we really never take no shot, you know. That's the one.
Fear fault.
That's the one shot we're taking up people.
Her fault.
You tell me for go easy.
Me?
Yes.
Me?
You tell me must go easy with you, I'm gonna go easy with you. You want to do a next one, do a part 2?
Next.
You want a dirty truth?
Part
and drink?
few.
Oh sorry. So you want to do a dirty truth and drink?
Up to you. You're the host. I'm the most.
You have to say it to the people if you accept the challenge.
I'll accept the challenge.
You accept the challenge, you're a dirty truth or drink?
Yes.
Alright people, so comment below, let us know if you don't want a part 2 to this video.
Part few.
If you don't want a dirty truth or drink, because them say them question are too easy. We never take no shot to the back of you. We not even open it. We just open it just for us, you know.
Just
You
taste
know
the
what?
cock.
Yeah, that's a little sample. You understand? So I left the back right there so people. So as I say, if you don't want to see a next video, I'm gonna comment below, give this about 1,000 likes, you understand? And we're rolling part 2 for no.
Yes.
Or if you don't want to send in the questions in the comment section below, when you want me to ask him, when you send them in people.
Set me.
Yes people, send in the question them, whatever you really want to know, or what you can do, you can send some video suggestions. Say if there's any video that you want us to do, you can leave them in the comment section below and we will, you know, get them done for you. So again guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel guys, share with your friends, tell your friends, and watch the video to the end. Alright people, bye guys.
Bye.